fellow farmers. I feel like sharing a thought with you today, right here in Excel farm. Do you know the importance of picking things like this off your farm? Nylon. They shouldn't be seen or found near where your animals are. They are very, very dangerous, and they have caused a lot of fatality to so many animals. Early this year, we lost 2 animals, a ram and a sheep, because of this. Carelessly, somebody finished eating popcorn, and the person dropped the nylon on the floor, right here in this farm. 2 of our animals took these things and they swallowed it. We never knew until when the animals started developing some strange behaviors. We stopped eating, started having bloated stomach. We called our veterinary doctor, gave them some antibiotics. Eventually, we lost the 2 animals one after the other. It was later, at the end of that same month, while we were doing a review of our activities in the farm, and we play back the CCTV camera we have in the farm here, that we saw where the 2 animals were struggling to pick the nylons. These nylons were coated with chocolates, and I guess it was one of our visitors that ate the chocolate and threw down the wraps. And the animals saw it because it was sweet. They picked it, and after some time, we lost the 2 of them one after the other.
One of them is our precious Balamishi that just gave birth to a lamb, and we lost it. After the death, we quickly slaughtered it, and
we saw plenty of nylons squeezed in the intestine. So, things like this, sachet of water or nylon of any kind should not be found near your farm.